Hi everybody! I'm doing a 30-day drawing series of cute animals and characters to celebrate my November book launches, and today we're drawing a deer. A deer can be a little bit harder to draw because they have long legs and a neck, and so I wanted to give you a little bit of a cheat on how to get everything to line up properly. So we're going to start off by drawing a square, and from the square we're going to divide that in half. However big this one is, I'm going to draw another third up over here. So I'm going to do, this is the front of my deer, so I'll start with an arc over here and then leave a little gap, and we'll start with back, and then we will do a leg, and so it's a kind of a straight leg, and we can curve it a little bit to have the hoof on the bottom, and then it'll be thicker on the top. And you know guys, you can do reindeer like this too, and then we'll do a little bit of a belly, and then we'll curve first one way, then curve the other way, and then leave a little gap for the tail, and then we'll curve around and then follow that other one and add our little hoof over there, and then we'll do the other leg kind of behind over here. So one, curve out first and then down, and then we'll do the other foot. We can do it here, and then however you want to do, you can do the tail, you know, it could be up over here. I'll draw it down there, and then let's do the neck. So over here I'll show you two alternatives. I'm going to make the neck go, I'll have the deer look kind of behind it, but you could also draw the neck out here, but I'll draw the neck going the other way. So we'll draw a curve going up, and then it's kind of a letter U shape that's kind of skinny on towards the snout. So we'll go like that. And deers kind of have a thin neck, and then I like to do my ears, and then they have a nose. And since it's kind of small, I'll just do a little dot eye. And so there's my deer. And then if I wanted to add some details, I could do, this would be his white area. If you wanted to color the other areas in, you could add antlers if you wanted to do some sort of antlers. You know, if you wanted to do it more of like a reindeer, you could add antlers over here. And that's our deer for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!